right, today we are going to do leaf silhouettes. I love this one because it's fairly simple to do, but some gorgeous artwork. So this is going to end up with having 3 pieces of art. So we're going to start with the one that it takes the yarn. And again, very simple, but really pretty, you'll see in the end. So what you're going to do is you're going to take this piece of paper and you're going to just take the yarn and we're going to wrap it around this card straight across. And I'm going to tie this on the back so that I don't have to glue it down. So now we're going to look again and see what this looks like through our leaf template. I think that looks pretty good. I'm going to scoot some up this way. All right, I really like the way that looks. So now we glue it together, and this is where you can do it with regular glue, of course, but it will take much longer to dry. And this one's a little harder because it does not want to stick to the yarn very well sometimes, but hot glue just makes that process a whole lot easier. And there you go. That's one piece of beautiful art. All right, now the next one we're going to do is the one that has the paper strips. And this one's fairly simple too. We're just going to glue down strips of paper across here so that they can be seen through that window. Just give it a second and trim these off now. And I decided I wanted it this way, right? So let's just glue it down. That's leaf silhouette number 2. Right. And now, let's do the last one. I think this one's even the most fun in some ways, because we're going to put leaves inside of leaves. See what it looks like this way. Get that about. thing with this one is if you didn't get enough coverage, you can always grab something and slide it into the spaces. There you go. And so with that, we now have 3 pieces of beautiful art.